how to adjust the brightness to make it brighter or dimmer on the display screen of a Mocreo H5 Lite hub. It is really easy to do. We're just going to go in real quickly and do it. On the main screen, we're going to use the wheel to toggle to the settings menu and hit the wheel to select it. From here, we're going to get to the settings menu and we're going to toggle down to display and sound, and we're going to hit the wheel again. From here, the very first option is brightness. Right now, you can see it's at 50%. I'm just going to hit this wheel again. And from here, I can toggle it from all the way down. And as I toggle, it will actually show it. This is the 10% brightness. I can actually just toggle through until I get it as bright as I want it. Let's say I want it 100%. And now I'm done. I have toggled through and adjusted the brightness. And now all I need to do is get out of here. I'm just going to hit this back button here until I get to the main menu, and then I can go back to my sensors or my weather or whatever I want to have displayed. If this helped, if you'd leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it.